Welcome to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule your YouTube videos. So first of all, go to your channel and select upload a video. After selecting that, you have to select the video that you want to schedule or upload on time or schedule. So now I'm selecting a video that I'm going to upload from my gallery or photos library, anything else. Here you can see the video I have selected. It's a gameplay. After processing, you have to press on done and this goes to a next page. Also again you have to press on next. After that, a new page appears which says visibility, description and title. You have to written all details about your videos. So first of all, write the title, like about which the video is. So I'm randomly writing a title. So you can see on the second top bar there is an option of a log and it says private. You have to click on this option, then a new page appear which says public, unlisted or private. The first step is you have to select the video to the public. After selecting public, there is an option on the fourth line, schedule. From here you have to schedule the video. After that, press on schedule. After pressing on schedule, here you have to select the time and date when you want to upload your video. Your video is upload, but it will public as the time you have mentioned in the schedule. So here I'm selecting the date. After selecting the date, I'm selecting the time. You can select any time in the day, in the night, am, pm, anytime you want to public your video. If you are busy in the night and you don't want to public, so you have to schedule your video and your video is automatically go to the public. So this is the very easy procedure. Now you can see on the name, under the name of channel, your video is written in a date and time when it will be public. So hope so you enjoy the video. Now upload your short and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video.